If you're remodeling your home and you know you want a new fridge, that's great. But if you're on the fence, figuring out whether you need a new fridge can be tricky. One way you can see and smell if you need a new refrigerator is if your food is consistently going bad. If you want proof, try placing a thermometer inside your fridge. If it's struggling to keep the temperature at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below, then you know you've got an issue. Here are 3 reasons it might be time to replace your refrigerator. If it's 8 to 10 years old. At this point, it's probably not worth investing new money into an old appliance. Plus, a newer model is probably more energy efficient, which will save you money on your energy bills. It needs a really expensive repair, like a broken compressor or an ice maker. If your fridge costs less than $500 when you bought it, it might be time. If you answered yes to any of these questions, check our ratings for dozens of refrigerators to find the best one for your home.